So you're pulling a toilet and you take this cap off, and that's just full of dirt. And you say, that's kind of weird. Why would this cap just be full of dirt? Then you pull the toilet. This huge pile of dirt came from up in here. Has anybody ever seen that before? Because I haven't. I mean, in my own 1957 plumbing, I had roots growing up from around the outside of the pipe into the toilet and then back down, because I hate roots. And I pull this toilet. I mean, is this from ants? What is that? That is just crazy.